Alrighty, man, this job is going really good. So what we got to do, what we got to get off of this thing to get the lift kit in, we got it up on both sides, got it up on jack stands, got the front tires off, and we're going to have to start taking some of this stuff loose. So we got the sway bar link loose, brake line loose, we got a speed sensor wire loose. We're going to take this brake caliper off, and then I'm going to tie it over here somewhere out of the way. Then we're going to try to scoot this sway bar link completely out of the way. Now hopefully we can. Just turn it up out of the way. And then we'll probably set in and take our steering knuckle loose right here. Pop that sucker out. Get these 3 bolts up at the top loose. Then we'll be all set. We'll get the strut out. We'll get our block put on. We'll go put it right back together in reverse order. So let's hop back to it. Alrighty, man, we're making really quick work of this job. So we have got our caliper hung up here. Everything's loose. We got our speed sensor loose, our brake lines hanging out over here. We just got the steering knuckle loose. We've got our sway bar loose, end link hanging down there. So what we got to do, we probably just rotor out of our way. And I think the next thing we want to do is probably get this tie rod end loose, pop this cover off, take our axle loose so we can really swing this steering knuckle out of the way to get that big strut out. So let's hop to it. Let's get back to working. That was an easy job. If you got, we had a little bit of trouble with the bottom bolt. Had to bring out the old trusty torch, but that was easy. We got everything loose. We got the strut out. So now we got to put our block on right here, and the fun begins of wrestling that sucker right back in there. So we got our hockey puck here. It goes right on top of that coil over, and then we just use the factory nuts to hold it down. When we get all this stuff done, we are going to torque it down with the torque wrench. So we'll be doing that. We're going to tighten all this stuff down. We're going to ease the strut back in here. And when I say ease, I say that loosely. We're going to get it all working. We're going to get it going. We're going to get it done. So let's hop to it. Alrighty guys, man, we made pretty quick work of that. We worked it all out. We got it all in. We showed you exactly how we did it. If you do have a specific question about the front end, what we did, how we did it, always leave it in the comment section. We always reply. This side is looking perfect. So we're going to jump on the other side and just buzz through that real quick. We'll check back in with y'all when we get to the back.